Mary Sims from the Shawnee Library, and today Scarlett, my granddaughter, is going to make cookies with me. Scarlett, show what one of your favorite books is.
Me and Scarlett baking cookies.
Yeah, and so now Granddad isn't here today, but I'm going to bake cookies with her. So Scarlett, what ingredients are we going to need for the cookies?
We're going to need flour,
powdered sugar,
and some flour. And we'll need 2 sticks of butter, and we'll need some vanilla.
Okay, and then what other supplies?
We'll need a big bowl and a big sheet to roll it on, and a big wood spoon, and a rolling out wood, and we'll need a cup, and we'll need baking
measuring spoons. And you know one other thing that we're going to need? Your apron, okay? So let's put this on and we'll start baking. All right, Scarlett, what all do we have in the bowl? We have the flour, and what else did you put in there?
We put baking powder,
the butter, and powdered sugar, and vanilla, right? So we're going to stir it all up, and we'll make the dough, and then we will roll it out. All right, we have our dough all mixed up and ready to roll out. So Scarlett, one thing I'm going to do to prepare our board here is put some flour there so that the dough won't stick to that. And I'm also going to put some flour on your rolling pin, okay? So here we go. Let's put this right here and just start rolling it out. Super. That's great. All righty, let me get the cookie cutters. Scarlett, you did a great job rolling that dough out. So we've got our cookie cutters here. What shape are you going to do today?
We are going to do a star shape.
A star. Okay. You want to do one of those? Perfect. Okay. And then what about
a big one?
A big one. Okay. And then what else?
A heart.
A heart. And then
an
arrow. All right. Well, let's do those 4, and I will.
What about this time?
You could do that. Okay. So we're good now, and let's go ahead and I'll get them on the baking sheet. Scarlett, you did a great job with these cookies. Can you tell me what some of the shapes are?
We have a little star, and we have a big star, and we have an arrow, and we have a really big star, and we have a heart.
Oh, that's great.
And those are all.
Okay, and so now they're going to go into the oven. What temperature do they go in?
I don't know.
375. And do you know for how long?
No.
10 minutes, all right? Okay. Scarlett, these just turned out great. So as soon as they cool, we're ready to put icing on them. So what is in the icing?
We have
Powdered sugar.
And we have vanilla.
And
we have water.
That's right. And so that's all here in this bowl. And are you going to mix it for us? Okay. All right. Well, while we finish mixing this, the cookies will cool down, and then we're going to ice them. All right, Scarlett, while the cookies are cooling, let's go ahead and get the frosting ready. And you said you wanted what colors? Purple and pink. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that. We've got our food coloring, and I'm going to start with just one drop to kind of see what that does. Okay, that's good. What do you think? That's a pretty pinkish red. Oh, looky there. That looks so nice. So we're good to go with our icing, and we also have the white as well. These look great. And so now what color sprinkles do you want?
Purple
Okay.
on the pink and pink on the purple.
Okay, so I'm going to pour some of these in your hand because there's not a sprinkle in. And so you just take your fingers and just do a little sprinkle. Just do a little sprinkle there. All righty. Well, we're done with these, but we're going to do some other colors in a little bit, okay? So Scarlett, you go ahead and finish, and when those are done, we'll do some more. Scarlett, what do you think about these cookies?
They're yummy.
Are they? That's great. Did you have a good time? Good deal. And all the recipe is in this book that you just love called Baking Cookies, okay? And it's with grandmother or granddad or both. So thank you so much for baking.